adrenaline. Good morning. We have arrived on a new stretch of river, on the river Segre in Catalonia. It's the second day of our adventure, and we will be trying to catch some trout, maybe barbel, roach. We'll see. As you can see behind me, the river is shallower than the stretch yesterday. This is because we're going to try to cross river here to get to the other bank. We know there's a couple of deep pools that we will be able to fish, but they need access from the other side. We're hoping to have a lovely day on this stretch, and if we catch something interesting, I'll definitely share with you. A little update for you. We got to the other side of the river, and the conditions of the river are very different to what we expected. The river is very colored, so fly fishing is a no-go, but we will try different methods today. We'll see if we catch something. Nevertheless, the views are beautiful, so let me share with you the vertical view. Up high in the mountain, really high. I'll show you the landscape view in a second. So we decided to start with a ledger first. Later we might try feeder. The conditions are what they are, and I think with the color of the water, this is our best chance to actually try for barbel in Spain. We will see. So last time we were here, the day was much warmer, the water was much warmer and clearer, and we actually were swimming in this pool. It's really nice and deep. That's why I know, or I hope, there might be barbel here. We caught small barbel here, but nothing major. Sorry, focusing there for a minute. But it's a lovely piece of water, so fingers crossed and toes. The tip keeps moving because the bait is in the current, which is fine, but that's not a take yet. I'm really hoping for a barbel because in this particular river we saw quite a few of them, quite a few shoals of them, so I know they're here. Well, they were here in the past, and I'm hoping to catch one, thinking that they might be sitting in this little hole. In here we only caught a small one before, but they were so super cute, so all I want is a slightly bigger one. So we decided to switch to float. Ledgering wasn't really working, and we'll see if maggots are interesting enough for the fish to catch. One, just one. Ideally a barbel, big one, but a small one will do too. At this point, I'll take any fish. Don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful day and it's absolutely amazing being here. But it would be very nice to be able to show you at least one fish on the video from this spot. And I know they're here. It looks like I have a fish. Ah! What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh my God, it's a baby barbel. It's a baby barbel. And it's in! Oh, you beauty. You beauty. There we go. Let's put this away. Oh, it actually managed to unhook itself. So, let me show you the cutie that absolutely made my day today. It's a barbel. It's a baby barbel, but it's a barbel. So, I managed to unhook it, or actually, it unhooked itself. It's very lively, and I don't want to hurt it, holding it too tight. So, oh, look, how beautiful. It's a little torpedo in the making. What?
I think it's different than the ones in UK.
It looks a little bit different, but it's definitely a barbel. It has the little moustache in here and a beautiful, beautiful dorsal fin. One thing to remember when you go fishing is to be versatile. Oh my God, my God, my God! Oh my God, I have a fish, I have a fish, I have a fish. It's not big fish, but it's a fish. I know, no. It's not hooked nicely. I'm so sorry, fishy. It's a fish, it's a fish. It's a fish. I know. Come on. It's a fish. Oh, there she is. A little beauty. There are definitely barbel in this spot. And I caught two. They were small, so now I need to catch the mommy or daddy or much larger sibling. Oh! Oh, hello, you beauty. That's a fish number 3. Oh, hello, gorgeous. So this is my barbel number 3, and this one is the biggest today. Still a little baby. So far we caught 3 barbel. First the smallest, then a little bit bigger. The last one was the biggest of the 3. So if we continue on this trend, next one should be a monster. Is me helping? Oh, there is a fish. Yay. Oh, hello. Hello, beautiful. Oh, are you? No, I don't think you're a barbel. No, you're a chub. Good chub. I have a fish. I have a fish. I have a fish. Oh my God, oh my God. I don't even know if my mic is on, but it doesn't matter. I have a fish, and I think, oh my god, it's a massive shrimp! Oh my god, it's a massive shrimp! Don't. Oh my god, that's my personal best. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Let's take it out of the water and have a look what we caught. Oh, amazing, 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 amazing fish. It has big teeth. Oh, and I just need to grab it very well. Oh my god! Look how beautiful it is! Ooh. You beauty! Oh, oh. Not much for kisses, are you? Oh. So that's a trout from River Segre on a feeder. Well, I do not control which fish takes the worm. And this one was greedy enough to take it. Okay, I'll rest it in the water for a little bit and we'll take a few photos. Oh my God, the emotion. It's like winning $1 million, isn't it? When you catch a beautiful fish like this. The trout is resting in the net. We are almost ready to let it go, which we're going to film. Oh, I'm off my feet because the adrenaline is still pumping in me. Oh my God, I just literally just stopped shaking. It's so amazing too. And I know, yes, it is. It is much bigger than the last time. And this is a brownie. This is definitely a brown trout. The other one was golden, but this one is bigger. And yes, River Segre, beautiful mountains behind me, sun glittering off the water, and a beautiful fish in my net. What else would I want from a day like today? I'll have one last look. I'm going to gently place it in the water. And it will go when it wants to go, almost. There you go. After catching this trout, we decided to call it a day. It's been a bit of a day, a long one. There is a storm in the forecast and the rain will be coming sooner or later. It doesn't look like that at the moment, beautiful skies, but in the mountains the weather changes quickly. I'm sitting in the water in my waders, cooling off. My heart is still pounding from the emotion of catching the trout, and I'm really grateful that I'm blessed to be spending days like today in the beautiful mountains, by amazing river, catching scale perfect trout like that. I couldn't ask for more. Oh yes, and the great company. It's not the most glamorous thing to be wearing, but hey, you know, it keeps me dry. Anyway, thank you very much for sharing this adventure with me. I'll see you soon.